This is the Songbird, homemade cooking. So I just left my daughter's house. I was there for a few minutes, talking, laughing, whatever. She gave me this beautiful hair. I love it. I never used this, wore this hairstyle before, but I like this. Yeah, this is my first time wearing this hairstyle. Actually, you can do what you want with it. I flipped it. I don't like my flips, but as you can see, you can go under with it. I can go under and do whatever I want with it. This was actually brushed down a little more on the side, but I brushed it, moved the part. It was parted in the middle. She said you can do what you want with it, so I parted it on the side for me. See? I like that. Yeah. See, because I like my part on the side, but it was parted in the middle first. That's interesting, isn't it? Very interesting. Yeah. It works real good. Look at that. See? Look at that. See, it changed again. Different hairstyle. Like, it just keeps changing. She was right. You can do anything with it. Just about. Keeps changing the style. Just keeps on changing. You see? I like my part on the side. I like it in the middle once in a while, but the side is my favorite. And actually, when she gave it to me, it was under. It was curled under. See? That looks different too. Curled under. Yeah. I like it. Yeah, it was more like in the middle. See that? It just keeps changing. Change. I love it. But I'm gonna wear mine on the side. This is my favorite thing. The side. I always wore my hair to the side. Even when I was a little girl wearing braids, I wore my hair to the side. And I like mine flipped up a little bit. Like, you know, some girls when they're growing up, they say, I don't want to wear my hair out because I don't want it in my face. But you can curl it over or under. Just enjoy being female. Enjoy being female. You know? I remember when I was younger, I used to say I would never, ever, ever wear a wig. I'm going to wear my natural hair forever. I guess so. I had very thick, long-lasting, seemed like a never-ending hair. You know? I just wanted to be natural. I'm like, even if, whatever. But now, I don't mind this, because see, I can braid my hair up underneath, keep it braided, not in nothing tight, just, good enough so that my hair can breathe. I could take it loose every week, wash it, and do whatever I have to do, condition it, my hair. And when I have something nice to do, put something nice like this on, see how it changed again. You see? Beautiful. I like that. Yeah, I like that. Peace, love, and light. If anybody wants one, you know what to do to get one. Just let us know.